All right, we got a 2008 Chevy Silverado with an intake manifold gasket problem, causing a misfire. First off, we disconnected the battery, so we've moved the power cable from the alternator, and we've disconnected the harness, separated from the manifold. All the injector plugs on the sides here we've disconnected. We've separated this harness from the manifold. Now we're able to unbolt the manifold and remove it from the engine. If you have access to an air compressor, be sure to blow all the debris and dirt from the top of the manifold to prevent it from dropping into the ports when removing. So we gotta unbolt those bolts in there. Those bolts in there and the manifold there.
And this is just terrible news for Chris, and it's the same theme over and over again.
One last thing to take off. Fuel line. We got this kit. There's our fuel line. And we got this tool. So we use that to insert into here to remove the fuel line. Oh, there we go. So these tabs that lock onto the fuel rail. So we use the tool to disconnect it. Simple as that. Now we're gonna remove our manifold. So let's take a look. So this gasket just clips on here. Okay, there we go. So the gasket's on. So we just replace it. Very simple. Just clips it back on. We're all good now.